going on YouTube? Happy Memorial Day. This is Will, and I'm about to cook some stuff. Today, actually tomorrow, I've got a Wagyu picanha going on. I just cut this open, trim the fat cap down to make it a little bit even, cut it up and put some salt on it. So this guy, I haven't had this, but they say it's pretty good. So we'll find out tomorrow. I'll make some videos on that. But for today, this is gonna go back in the fridge and just sit there. But today, I've got this thing I like to call wolf turds. It's a jalapeno, clean it out, stuff it with cream cheese and Italian sausage with some spices, and wrap it in bacon, put it in the oven for a little while, and they come out pretty good. The whole turd thing implies that you're stuffing the entire thing. I'm gonna cut them in half. They're a little bit easier to work with. Just because we're gonna be at a party, it's gonna look like double at least. So anyway, let me clean these. I'm gonna do this in the sink. Jalapenos are all cleaned up. Going to make our mix real quick. So I've got a couple of pounds of mild Italian sausage. So I'm only gonna use 1 pound to start off with. Standard Philadelphia cream cheese. And another pack of cream cheese. 4 tablespoons of ancho chili flavoring, 2 teaspoons of smoked paprika, and I'm going to add a little bit of voodoo in there too. This is nice and savory, should go pretty well. Just kind of eyeball it. Get this all mixed up in the bowl. All right, that's looking pretty good. Looks like we're making some cream cheese flavored sausage almost. And let's start filling them up. And there we go, we're all stuffed. 16 large jalapenos cut in half, 2 8-ounce packages of Philadelphia cream cheese, and 1 pound of Italian sausage. A little bit, could have probably got a couple more jalapenos and maybe not stuff these as much, but hey, I'd rather have a little bit too much than not enough. Okay, now the last part, well, of the preparation anyway, is these need to be wrapped in bacon. Here we go with the bacon. Just take this guy, wrap them all nice and tight. Probably some thin, this is thick cut bacon, but some thin bacon would work a little bit better. Some of these smaller ones I'm gonna cut the bacon in half. So I'm gonna cook these in the oven today. Ideally, You throw them on the smoker for a couple hours. Try to run about 225, 250. See where that gets you. The only thing you're really looking for is the bacon to be cooked on the outside, and you're going to need an internal temp of 160. This is pork, so that's all you're really looking for. I'm not going to get any smoke on here today. There's a couple of reasons. But I've got the oven going at 300 here. That's going to cook it a little bit faster, which is fine. I'm not trying to impart any smoke on here today. We'll be doing that tomorrow with the picanha. I'm looking forward to that. It's gonna be so good. There you have it. They're all wrapped, ready to go in the oven. Well, they're ready to go in the smoker, but we're using the oven today because we're lame. I'm gonna run, if they're in the smoker, I'll run it at 250 for a couple hours, you know, let it get some nice smoke. We're not running a smoker today, we're running the oven. So I'm gonna put it 300 and we'll check back in on this in an hour. Be right back. All right, these are looking pretty done. It's been about an hour and 15 minutes. Let's check them out. Little duck holders. It's like a puppet. Ooh-wee. Looking pretty good. Bring it in real quick. All right, so I'm just gonna put these in the pan. I gotta get the hell out of here. I'm going to a party right now. We'll see if I can if I can eat one. We'll put this off to the side right here. It's a little guy. All right, ready to go to the party. Cheers. These are always a hit. You can add, subtract to this kind of thing. Put in some different spices. Yeah, they're always gone when I go to a party. Every single time. All right, guys, have a Memorial Day, and we'll catch you again soon. Cheers.